Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to withdraw money from PrizePicks. First, log into your PrizePicks account and navigate to the withdrawal section. You'll need to ensure your PayPal account is linked and verified. This process is straightforward, but accuracy is key to avoid delays. Make sure your personal information on both platforms aligns perfectly. This helps prevent any security flags or issues when processing your funds. To link your PayPal, head to the Account or Wallet area on PrizePicks. Look for the option to add or manage withdrawal methods. Choose PayPal from the available choices. You'll then be redirected to PayPal's secure site to log in and authorize the connection. This step ensures your financial information remains protected. Always double-check that you are on the official PayPal website during this process. Once linked, you can initiate a withdrawal. Go back to the withdrawal section and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remember, there might be a minimum withdrawal amount, so check the terms. Confirm that PayPal is the selected destination for your funds. Before hitting submit, take a moment to review all the details. This helps prevent errors and ensures your money goes to the correct place efficiently. Keep in mind that withdrawal processing times can vary, usually taking between 24 to 48 hours. Factors like verification status or weekend requests might affect this. If you encounter any issues or delays, don't hesitate to reach out to PrizePicks customer support for assistance. They can provide specific updates on your transaction. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality makes a difference, just like smart financial moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.